Just got to Animal Kingdom. Kids are excited. Where are they? Let's go. Morning in Animal Kingdom. We're doing a tour this morning. Caring for Giants tour. See some elephants and a little bit backstage to get there, and then we'll take some videos of elephants. Kids are excited. What are they made out of?
Plastic. No, look.
Poo.
Elephant poo.
You got poo on your autumn. Look, it's there, look. Poo.
I think she's young.
Two individuals together that would create good, healthy, new genetics for that family line. We did that planned out with Cora. That is out in the future. We might have some more babies, but it will take quite some time. A lot of patience. Does anyone know how long elephants are pregnant for?
Like 18 months or something?
About 20. Well, sometimes learning that our elephants are pregnant can be a little bit different than we might learn ultrasound, because their skin is a lot thicker than ours. So get it. You can see a lot of the grassy fibers are still intact, so I'll talk about that in a second too, but in means of hormone level tracking, our endocrinologists are able to actually track the hormone levels, being able to tell us where they are in their pregnancy, if they are showing signs of the pregnancy, if they are cycling. We can plan out where those dates might occur. We can also test the cortisol levels in the elephant's poop. Has anyone ever heard of cortisol before? What is cortisol?
Stress hormone.
We'll have a look at the poo.
So we can tell if our elephants are stressed.
Thanks.
Thanks, there.
Of course, a lot of bad stress wouldn't be good.
Earwigs.
Want to get out there? Yeah, get out of there. Questions you all have? You ask them. Do you want to see it? You're very welcome.
Seeing some elephants in the wild. Pretty cool. Recommend it if you're in Animal Kingdom to come and see them. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Marsh, Director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's why dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created a time, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you'll witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the time rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tubes are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time bubbles have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Place all these items in the pouch in front of you.
Travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
Ready, go for it.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little ones.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive. Move it.
Warning, meteor struck.
Evade coming up. Left. Right. Left.
Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now! Brace your shit! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
Please gather personal belongings from the couch in front of you and remain seated until the rope.
See this area like this. It's probably going to be closing soon. I think Encanto's coming in, so it'll be pretty cool. I think Triceratops spin's just gone down, I think.
Hey folks, welcome. Alright, this way to Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Thank you very much. Into the station.
Animals like those achieved more in the 40s. Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movement.
This is Rafiki's Planet Watch.
When I told you that we meant to speak, we didn't just subjects.
Yara, Safari. It says 5 minutes, let's see.
Side giraffe, and you can tell this by its beautiful pattern as its entire tail. You can tell your parents run the herd, and then when the males turn about 13 years of age, they then leave that herd and join a bachelor herd. And the alpha male elephant is usually solitary, so he just goes off on his own. My suspicion is that first elephant species, so it is the largest of its species. It is also the species alert. I like to call it the mare of the European. But flamingos do not start out pink. They actually start out a lightish grayish color, and then they earn their pink through their diet. Can anyone imagine what their diet consists of? Shrimp, that's right. Oh, you guys are too smart. And it takes them about 2 years before they earn that pink color. So you can tell that most of those flamingos there are at least 2 years old. Didn't think I saw little babies there. So many babies on our trip. Wow. Now it looks like we are headed into rhino country. I wonder what we'll find here. Could be rhinos. Just of the rhino species. These are the ones that weigh about 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. And rhinos' horns are made out of keratin, which is the same material that makes up our fingernails. So I don't know why poachers are after our fingernails. I think that's a little silly Billy if you ask me. You can tell them I said that. I don't know where you'll be meeting poachers, but if you ever do, Safari Guide Minty thinks they're silly Billy. See, you can see their little ears listening to us. They have such good hearing. Looks like they just finished making a burrow. They're also opportunistic burrowers, which means they'll take you. It looks like my outfit is almost dry.
Outlets this evening. I'm going to pop to Disney Springs after. Let's have fun. You two excited?
Yes. At the end of the video, we will be going to Disney Springs.
We'll have a quick look round and then head off to Spring. Vineland, I bought a few things. Jonas has got to do Into Miami training top, haven't you, Jonas? Bought some things from the Disney store and all some bits and pieces. So, heading back to Springs. There you go. There's Jonas. Where is he? No, it's a big weirdo. Come on then. Let's have a look round. Gonna get some food, have some fun. probably buy some stuff. Volcano! Guy was insane. You are some crazy kid fell over the bush. But here's a picture of them by the fountain. The Volcano store. Let's go in.